This is my daily buys for gold for 6/17/2024 market daily buys. So let's get over to it. 4 hours bullish, so we got a 4 hour for buy gap with us that we're currently in, right? We could possibly get a deeper fill. We could definitely get a sweep of liquidity on this, right? So our aim gonna be possibly over here. There's other for buy gap. There's another 4 hour for buy gap, the downside. And we have a buy side liquidity right inside that fair value gap. So we could definitely try to go super out of the high before coming back down. So in the hourly time frame, right? For our building blocks, the hourly time frame against our buy. So we're waiting for 15-minute breakout structure today. So 15-minute breakout structure to the upside, that's what we're looking for today. So 15, we got another hourly auto fair value gap, So inside this huge fair value gap, what we could do is basically come down here, see what is low, possibly this is for buy gap, and get us some, like 15-minute breakout structure and 15-minute confluence, and get in that boy and go for TP1. I think TP1s will be over here by this boss of liquidity, and TP2 will be here. So for now, it doesn't matter because at the time of the recording, my TP1 gonna be here. If this gets stripped out, my TP1 gonna be here, TP2 is gonna be here. But for now, TP1 and TP2 right on this 4 hour for buy gap, right? And let's see. And we got an hourly sweep of liquidity over here. So you can see hourly, another hourly. So we just gotta wait care about the 4 hour, right? Higher time from higher power. And we got an hourly for buy gap. Against us, we already touched the order block, so we don't gotta care about it anymore. Touch the order block and break a block. Started against us, 30-minute. So let's see the 30-minute. Do we get anything here? Let's mark the recent session high and low. So what do we got? What is the low of agent persuasion? Wait, let me go mark this out real quick. So the high of what? Agent persuasion looks like to be over here. Okay. Okay, what is the low of London? Looks like to be right over here. No, it doesn't look good there. Looks like to be this candle is when it started, right? 3 o'clock is here. So it can't be that, it has to be this right here. So this right here is the low of agent persuasion, because this became at 3 o'clock, so that's no longer the low. Now this is right. So what is the high of London? Wait, so London started at 3 right here. The low of London looks like to be right over here. The high of London looks like to be right here, right? So for the high of London, we don't really gotta mark that high of London. Actually, okay, let's just put it there just for the look of it, right? So 30-minute, we got a 30-minute order block we don't gonna care about. But let's see if this is actually a low. Yeah, that is a low. Okay. So this is what we could do, right? So basically, this is my game plan, right? So today, I just want the market to go in here. Possibly if this is a low, sweep out of the 4 hour liquidity, because 4 hour, higher time for high power, and the fair value gap needs to get a deeper fill. Possibly if this is hourly fair value gap, and then go right back up, right? Give me a 15-minute breakout structure. My TP1 can be right on here, right when it says the recent session high and low, right? Recent session high and low, right? Like levels, support and resistance. I won't break even because that could definitely push the market down against me. So right here, it's gonna be my my sweet spot to break even. Or if it creates a building block over here, like a auto block, breakup block, it's gonna break even over there, right? If it's getting created, right? So other than that, TP1 gonna be right here. If he closes below, I'm gonna get off full position. If he goes above, TP2 is right here, right? TP2 is right there. Then yeah, after that we're out full position. And depending it depends, but it all depends, because we gotta see if our TP gets hit before, before the market takes out the liquidity. So yeah, this is my 6/17/2024 market daily bias. And let me read my notes. So my notes are basically saying when it's close to the hourly time frame and it looks like it can create a build up, I'm not entering wait. I'm not buying selling premium. When the 1 minute when executing the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute time frame against that buys, I'll either wait for a breakout structure or look for confluence, especially to enter when the breakout structure is not near the market. I'll constantly monitor both sides of the market to avoid manipulation. I'll do only one take profit when I'm going with when I'm going against the bias, right? So today we're going for 2 take profit because we're going with the bias. The hourly time frame against the bias, I'll either wait for 15 minute breakout structure or look 15-minute confluence. If a breakout structure doesn't happen, I'll look for a 15-minute confluence risking 0.5%. And once it breaks structure in a 15-minute time frame, I'll look for a real setup risking 1%. So if I get a setup before a 15-minute breakout structure, like you know, saying a Ferrari gap or something like that, I will risk 0.5%, right? I'll use a hard time frame, not look at 1 minute chart unless every condition is met. I'm not trading 15 minutes before news because it causes manipulation. I'll get a deeper favorable Ferrari gap because a touch of a Ferrari gap is usually a manipulation by the market makers. I will have a wide stop loss and let the market breathe. I would not trade during agent session. I'll be patient, confident, feeling the emotion is not greedy. I want to go 1 to 2 take profit. So today I'm going for 1 to 2 take profit, right? When a take profit gets hit, I'll check 15-minute time frame. If the different time frame goes above, I'll hold to next CP. If it goes below, I'll get a full position, right? The first trade will always be 1%, second trade will always be 0.5%, right? When I made the same mistake over and over rapidly, or when I have a short setup or a buy setup, I get another setup against that, I would not enter. I'll let the first setup hit TP before proceeding. I will backtest for every day for 30 minutes, right? I'll look at what happens when I touch my auto block, breakup block, and auto block, see the pattern of it, and use it at my advantage, right? When a trade's good, I will stack only position. If let's just say if I'm in a trade, it gives me another good buying position, I'll add 0.1 to I'll add 0.5 position to that trade, right? I'll let the candle close. I'll look for other confluence and only breakup structures far away from the market on the 5-minute chart and the 1 minute chart. I'll look for different confluences only if the breakup structure far away. When the hourly chart I get my bottom and I'm looking for 15-minute breakup structure, I'll constantly monitor the 15-minute time frame to see a setup form before a real setup appears on a 15-minute time frame. If I see a setup appear on a 5-minute time frame and it gives me and I'll enter that as a bonus, risking after it breaks the 15-minute time frame, risking 0.5%, by the way. After breaks the 15-minute time frame, I'll risk 1%, right? But I'm saying the reason I was risking 0.5% is because the market definitely come back out and take me out, right? And I'll trust the process of the trade, not the outcome of the trade. I touch of it, auto block and breakable is not. I don't need defill, right? When in a trade and give respect to my building block, I'll break even. When I'm in a trade and I see a building block against me, but like somewhere over here, I'm gonna break even, right? So I don't, protect my money because it's easier for us to lose rather than break even. But I'm not gonna break even too early, right? I will read this every day when it's not a trading day. Yeah, but it is my daily bias.